Crusoe. We're getting into it. This time I'm back buttering because it's a bigger tile. They've got it in metric and they've got it in an imperial 29.5 and 75 centimetre, which is 750mm. In the building industry you never work in centimetres, it's always millimetres. Anyway, it's a 750 by 750 tile, look-alike parquetry, and it does look like parquetry. It's a very square edge, not bad. I think I'd have it because it's different. It's not like everything else out there. They're all getting a bit, all a bit bland these days, and they all sort of look the same. All your tiles now. This is quite a bit different. My set out is I've got a cut there, which I'm saving the tile because I've centered it here at the entranceway, and my cut is going to be that. So that's about 450. So my cut will be 450 all the way down there. That cut is 250 or whatever it is, so I'm able to get right down that wall with my offcut, which we have stuff all waste then, and because quite an expensive tile, so you don't want to you know, just be cutting them up willy-nilly and throwing big offcuts out. I'm going to centre this hallway, cut either, you know, even cut whooshka. They're a bit heavy to be thrown around, so you just take it easy. You think of your back, you don't just throw them around like postage stamps. That's when tilers get a sore back. So what I'm doing is I'm using a 12 on the floor, and to back butter I'm using an 8. Each tile is 3/4 of a metre. when I can, I like to cross my rows. Right, so those lines are going that way, and I've got my back butter on my tile going the opposite way. And then I haven't got my bloody clips in, have I? You fool! Don't panic. We'll slap them in. Everything's a bit of a stretch, but that's all right. And people, that is going to end up a bloody beautiful floor. Because the concrete's pretty good as well. I don't have to do the anal thing and lift my tile and show you the glue underneath. You can just imagine what it's like. Beautiful, nice and clean, lovely. I'm lucky enough that the 750 tile fits in my cutter. Only just though. But only just is good enough. What was the measurement? 175. I should have a my gauge set up. Yeah, 175. I'll mix up some more glue in a sec. It's a little bit big for just 2 clips, so one in the centre doesn't do any harm at all. DIYs. give it a slap. Where's my rubber hammer? Not around when you want it. Oh yeah, there it is over there. I'll get it in a minute. That's lovely. That's lovely, people. On the line, nice and straight. Right, mix up a bit more glue and I'll come back to you shortly. See you soon. This is Chriso. See that? That's for subscribing. And you do that, you poke the subscribe button. See you soon. When you subscribe, you won't miss out on anything, because there's heaps of videos coming out all the time. See ya! G'day DIYs. When you're doing tiles like this on a floor, be careful, because you're a DIY, you will throw a disc out. So you've always got to be careful of what you're doing and how you're lifting. The best way I find is you place it down like that and you slap it down. Slap it down. Give it a rub. Did you see my trowel marks on my back butter? It's going across those lines. That's how I do it. And all you do is just lay one after the other. Keeping an eye on your lines and your corners there, your junctions. I never go too far spreading my glue. It's always at the most 2 tiles. This is an 8mm notch trowel for my back butter. I've never been a fan of back butter, but these are quite a big tile, so it doesn't hurt. See how my lines go across. Bummer. I haven't put in my clips. I heard someone yelling out, "Hey mate, you haven't put in your clips." No biggie. They're in. But yeah, take it easy a bit, DIYs. Slap it on down. Okay, I'll come back to you shortly. The owner is doing some jackhammering and he's waiting for me.